Hey guys, this is how to follow on Bluesky. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Bluesky application into your device. And now from here guys, just simply go ahead and select an account that you want to follow. So let's say I'm going to go for this one, Swift on security. So I'm just going to tap on their profile guys. And after that, it will redirect me to their profile. And I can just simply go ahead and tap on follow over here. And now, guys, if you want to search a specific person, you can just simply tap on the search icon on the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can just simply search their name over here and just simply do the same process. Just simply select their account, and you should be able to see the follow button. And now, guys, in order for you to see all of the people that you have followed, just simply tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, as you can see, I'm currently following two people or two account. So just simply tap on two following. And from here, you should be able to see all of the accounts that you just followed on Blue Sky. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching. See ya.